Hello guys, today we are starting with regular expressions. So what is regular expressions? Regular expressions are also called regex, and it's a powerful sequence of characters that define a search patterns, matches, or a manipulation of string. Basically, regular expressions are used on the textual data or a large quantity of text. For example, this is a large quantity of text. So we have to extract the useful or meaningful data or data which we need from this whole text. For example, we have this on Wikipedia. We have a Elon Musk page, which where we have this his bio data. Is Elon Musk, their date of birth, age, the birth area, birthplace. Sorry. Then from where he is educated, and then uh, his title, his co-founder, and etc. So it's a useful data. Suppose we have this text, and from this text we want to extract the edge of the animals. So we have to make some pattern or some uh, snippet of code, or it should be a pattern for the extracting this specific edge data. It should be a 52. Then for regular expressions, we have to make patterns. It should be a small, we will see what is pattern in shortly, but it should be a small, some small code or line of code in which we have to make a pattern for every. For example, we have to extract the email address. So for email address we have to make a pattern. For phone number we have to make another pattern. For age we have to make another pattern, etc. So we have to let's move to the our this is a website which is a regular expression 101. This website have us to make a regular expression patterns. Here we will make a pattern, and this is a text string or text from which we have for which we have to make this pattern here, and on which we have to extract or match a valid data. In this string test string or string data, we have email addresses. For example, we have there are three email addresses. This email address, this is a invalid email address, and this is again a valid email address. Then we have to make a pattern for regular expression, which should match this true and this true. You have to extract this email address which is a valid and this email address which is a valid, and we have to escape or leave this invalid email address. This is our data, and we have to extract or match the correct data from or the useful data from this test data. Then here is some quick reference. These are some tools, or we can say there are some tools or some built-in characters for this regular expression. For example, this for a single character we should use this A B C sort of thing. This degree sign is used for initiating the regular expression. For example, here we will use a degree sign. Degree sign means our useful data should be in first. Here when we check for this sign, right, this here is a degree sign, starting of string. It means our useful data should be in the start of the string. Then this is one string, this is second string, this is third string, so it should be in the start. Okay. Then we have to find what should be next in a we have three parts. This first part, then asterisk, then this at the rate sign, and then the second part. The first part should be an alphabetic part, or it also contain any digits, it also contain any hyphens, or this underscore, sorry. Then for that we have to use some relevant stuff of here. For example, we have to use this thing, any word character. Any word character, maybe this W mean a from A to Z. It should be small, or it should be capital, or it should be from 0 to 1, or it should be underscore. Okay, so this stuff mean a small W contain this stuff. So it should be anything from this all. So we have to use this W. Okay, then next thing we have to use, here we contain also a dot. We can contain a dot. So for a dot, here we have, where is it, we have dot as well. This is a dot, a single character, a dot. A dot, it should be any dot content should be any single character. Then next thing we have to use a dot, and then happen thing, and then this closes bracket. So this full this pattern is only for the first digit. It matches only the first digit, and the first digits it is in a start, and it is an alphabet or digit or dots, but it is a alphabet, so it matches the first character. Now for the number of characters, 1 2 3 4 5, this is the number of characters till this @ sign. For this we have to use something from here, 0 or more of A. No, we cannot use this. We can use this one or more of A. It should be a single alphabet or character, or it should be number of characters. So it should be number of characters, so we have to use plus. So this is highlighted that it should be number of characters. Here this is also highlighted, but it will be removed shortly. Then after this is the first part is clear. Our first part of email is clear. Then the second part is @ sign. For @ sign, you have to simply use @ sign. Then now this one is automatically removed because this doesn't contain any @ sign. Then now these two are highlighted because these two are valid. Then for the third part, which is after this @ sign, this part, email.com, it should be a gmail.com, it should be a yahoo.com. For this we should again use something, it should be a alphabet or dot or com. So we have to use again this W dot, and this again it should be a number of characters, so plus sign again. And then after this, here it should be anything else as well. For example, we are using a .com and something else, so it is highlighting, it is still highlighting it. You have to stop it on .com. On .com you have to stop it. Then you have to use this sign. So it should be a stop. It's the ending of the A. Assert position at the end of the A. From here you can see that end of the string. It should be the end of the string. That's it. If any space something, it will not consider it. Clear? So here we make our first regular expression pattern. Let's copy this pattern. Move to this CMD. Here we import a regular expression. First see, we have in Python we have library for regular expression or regex. It's a built-in library for in Python. We can install it by pip install regex. Uh, we can use this library for extracting useful data from string data. And then let's come to this example. Here, see, we have we have we import the RE from ignores regex regular expression. Then we have a function which contain which only we will show this email is true, or this email is invalid, or this email is valid. So valid email, we pass an email, and then pattern is necessary for regular expressions. The pattern is pasted there, which we make there. This is a similar pattern. Then if condition, regular expression match. We can use search for searching emails in a string, but now for here we are matching this this pattern with the email, that this email is similar to this pattern, so it will be match. Then it's match this pattern with email which we is calling this definition for the function. Then if it is true, then return true, otherwise return false. Here we have three emails, same emails which we got there, but now here print this calling of the function, and email 1, print email 1. After printing email 1, which is a true one, which is true, so it's returns a true. Now if we put this one, it's false. The second email is false because it's an invalid email. Then if we use this 3, it's a true. This email is true. Here this email is true, this is true, which is highlighted, and this is invalid. So we matched a useful data or a valid email from these above 3 emails. So that's all for today video. We will move in other example use cases of regular expressions in our coming videos of this playlist. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.